Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to drive through Pembroke Hall. We are on Washington Boulevard and we are now turning into the Pembroke Hall area. On the right is the Boulevard Super Center, which is one of the largest malls in Jamaica, and it's also one of the busiest. So we're just going to take a quick drive through. It's the main mall for the Pembroke Hall area, and you can see how busy. Pembroke Hall is a very large residential area, so it will give you an idea of just how busy this mall is. Okay, so on the left you have Island Grill, and this mall is how would you say, one way, so you can't drive this way. I'm not sure what's going on here. I see a one-way sign. Okay, well, we're just gonna follow this car. Okay. Right, so in Jamaica, there's a formula. You follow that formula, you have a very successful plaza. One, you need a major supermarket, a large supermarket. This plaza has least food fare. Second thing you need is restaurants, and this plaza has many. It has KFC, Burger King, and Island Grill, as well as a tasty patty location. So right away that's covered. Also inside the mall you have other food places, and then the third thing is you build it in a populated area, and Pembroke Hall is right across the road. The Heaney Park is down the road, so those are very busy areas. So it's built at the right spot basically. So this is a very successful plaza. Now that line or traffic that you just saw is the KFC drive-through. Now this plaza also is the only plaza in Jamaica that has 3 drive-through locations in it. No other plaza has 3. The Island Grill has a drive-through, the KFC has a drive-through, and the Burger King has a drive-through. Okay, this is Lee's Food Fair. This is the supermarket in the plaza. It's a huge supermarket. Very, very popular supermarket. Okay, now around here is the Burger King, and to the left is the Burger King drive-through. And if you notice, this plaza has a lot of parking. It's very important when you're building these plazas that you have adequate parking. Now, one of the reasons why Fairview does so well in Montego Bay, and Fairview is the largest plaza in Jamaica, is because it has so much parking. You don't have a problem getting a park. And as you can see, this plaza is the same thing. A lot of parking. Alright, over here you have a few more stores, but we're just going to focus on the ones that make the plaza, that follow the formula for it to be successful. So this is the Boulevard Super Center. And now that I think about it, there was a store where Mishi, or where it used to be Mishi, but where Shoppers Fair is now. I think it's Sovereign Boulevard is the name of the plaza. But I'm almost sure there was a store there that was called the Boulevard Super Center. If anybody can remember, you can leave a message in the comment section. But I'm sure that's what the store was called. But this plaza, no, that store closed down long time ago. This plaza is called Boulevard Super Center as well. Well, it's called Boulevard Super Center. I'm not sure if anybody remembers the name of that store, if it was also called Boulevard Super Center, let us know. Alright, so we're back into the Pembroke Hall area now. And as we said, Pembroke Hall is a very large residential area. Thousands of homes in this area and the environs and the areas around it. Now on the right is the Pembroke Hall High School. Actually, the gate is open. We could have driven in. And then there's a small plaza on the left, but with Boulevard Super Center right beside it. Not sure how well that plaza does. Alright, so on the left and the right is a Pembroke Hall neighborhood or community. We have other videos up of us driving through the neighborhood or the community. So you can search for those videos on the channel if you want a little more, if you want to take a tour through the actual different neighborhoods, the different roads. But we're just going to stay on the main road today and drive through. Okay, straight ahead is a Pembroke Hall Community Center. And Pembroke Hall is a very, how would you say, it's one of a good place to raise a family, to raise kids. So you have a community center where you have regular activities. I mean, before COVID, you probably had barbecues, fairs, things that, you know, bring the community together. And also Pembroke Hall has a lot of schools. So you would find, well, not a lot, but it has a primary school and a high school. So you find it, and they're very good schools. So you'll find the persons that live in the neighborhood go to the school. Okay, on the left is the Pembroke Hall Methodist Church. A very, very popular church. So you find that when the persons in the area go to the school, you have a lot more closeness because everybody knows everybody from the school. So when they have activities at, say, the community center, everybody knows everybody, so they have a lot of fun basically. So that's good because it makes Pembroke Hall one of those friendly places or a nice place to raise kids. You have some neighborhoods where people don't even know who their neighbor is. Or if somebody lives two houses down from them, you have no idea who lives there. Worse, what they look like. So it's good when you have neighborhoods like this. Okay, this is something you don't see every day. A truck is towing a truck. Wow. A garbage truck towing a garbage truck. Yes, it happens. Alright, so we're now leaving Pembroke Hall now. Now, another neighborhood that has that kind of friendly environment is Orange Grove in St. Andrew and Aylsham in St. Andrew as well. They have the same kind of family atmosphere, or you see a good place to raise kids, just like Pembroke Hall. Alright, so I think this is Mullines Road we're back on. So we turn left and we head towards the Red Hills area. If we turn right, we would go back to Washington Boulevard. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.